The masters felt that this horseshoe structure was particularly complex. If you are not careful, you will do the wrong rework. Today, I will share some skills that may not be learned from books and masters. Listen carefully. Novices can do it right all at once. Horseshoe structures like this, where the top circles are not parallel and the bottom circles are not parallel, you can only use the triangle expansion method. First, draw the outer outline of the horseshoe one by one, according to the drawings. Divide the top circle into 8 equal parts. The equinoxes correspond to the main view. Connect in sequence. Divide the horseshoe into several small triangles. And here's the point. Be sure to keep in mind. Mark each point in the main view clearly with numbers and letters in advance. It is convenient to seek truth and expand the long line later. Not easy to mess up. Next, I draw the top view. Draw the perpendicular down from the aliquot of the top circle. Take the actual length of the section corresponding to the top view. Connect the points to get the elliptical shape of the top view. At this point, most masters are fine. The hard part is the back. How to find the real long line. How to distinguish the unfolded lines. It's especially easy to mess up. Today, I will teach you a trick formula. Just look at the points. Don't look at the line. The dots in the main view are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The top view corresponds to the mark 1 skimming, 2 skimming, 3 skimming, 4 skimming, and 5 skimming. The main view is A. The top view corresponds to a skim, A skim, B skim, C skim, D skim, E skim. Careful friends should find that. All my previous teachings have used this mark. The rules are simple and not easy to make mistakes. After marking according to the main view 2-point connection, connect the points of the plan view in turn. Realistic long term, and I'm going to do it this way. We directly find the duration of 1b in order to be hours. To C hours, 3C hours, 3D duration, 4D hours, 4E duration. The operation that requires a specific duration. Refer to the principle of the long-term line method in my last issue. Just take the steps. After all the requirements are completed, you can start to expand. We start measuring the arc length from the EAA on the left. The circle circumference is divided by equal fractions. According to the main view, 1A, 1B, 2B, 2C, 3C, 3D, 4D, 4E, 5E, take the length in sequence. Every time you set a point, immediately mark the corresponding serial number. Avoid making mistakes. In order, after all, interception is completed. Connect all the points with smooth curves. The horseshoe structure unfolds as a whole. Then the horseshoe structure has to be cut off. It was also the incision of the underpants T. We first find the cutting points, F, G, and C. We've got G on the constant line. Then the lengths of point F and point G are sequentially truncated to the expanded graph. Use a smooth curve to connect the expansion at the incision position, and it is done. And then they cut it and they bend it. The horseshoe combination pants T is all completed after unfolding the lofting. Learn this point marking method. If you encounter the same horseshoe structure in the future, you can directly apply it. No longer have the headache of being confused by long lines and multiple lines.